Hi, welcome to BoloForms Signature. This is a quick video on how the recipient can sign the requested document. They will receive an email from BoloForms requesting for signature. Click on Sign Now. Now, let's sign the document. The recipient will be shown on which page to sign. If you have multiple signatures, you can autofill them by clicking on the checkbox. We have three ways to sign the document. First is draw signature. The second, you can upload a signature or you can add signature as a text. Click on draw signature. You can choose the stroke width and the color for your signature. Once done, click on done and your signature has been done on the document. You can delete all your signature and redraw it as well. Once done, click on the confirm button. And that's how you can sign your document using BoloForms Signature.